Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am. Good 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 evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please show a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, and you must be thinking what new we are going to learn today, right? Many of you must be thinking that today we are going to learn drawing of Devi Durga. Yes, of course we are going to learn, but not today. We will be learning it next class. Okay? Yes, because it was highly demanded that please teach some drawings related to our helpers. And we decided, if you remember, we decided today we are going to learn firefighters. Okay. So today I will be teaching you firefighter. And in today's artwork, you will see that if you want to show a background, that buildings and all complete location is a fire happened there, and some firefighters reached there, team of firefighters reached there, and they are trying to get control over fire and save countless lives. So how to show this complete scene in your art file, this I'm going to teach you. So without delay, we will start with our work. But before starting, I want to share a very, very good and great news with you all. Okay, and that's this, that for a very special occasion of Navratri, we have a very, very budget friendly and pocket friendly offer for you. And once this kind of offer, I think we are giving for the first time, in which you will get complete discount of 5,200 rupees. Yes, complete discount of 5,200 rupees. So please call your parents. If you go for 6 months registration, please call your parents so that they can also understand, listen and go for this very beautiful, wonderful package in which you will find a great discount. And please share this complete message with your friends, your relatives, your school friends, neighbors, cousins, so that they can also learn and be part of this learning. Okay. So Navratri special offer. And this offer is, if you go for 6 months enrollment, the fees will be only and only 2,000 rupees. It means at the place of 7,200, only 2,000, complete discount of 5,200. And say this offer is for limited seats, as the registrations are happening through application. Once the seats are occupied, this offer will expire. So please be quick and share this information with your friends and everyone. Okay. And say if you're taking this, suppose you're taking this complete package, and you have already enrollment till November. So this will come into force after November. It means you can take it today, but when your current offer will, classes will over, then it will start. Okay. So this ways you can renew your classes, and long run classes you can continue. Okay. And for the first time, we are giving such great offer, and I really wish you and your friends, your cousins, your relatives, they all should take benefit of this. And Srinidhi won prize. I will be sharing this information with you. Yes, Srinidhi won Spell Bee. It was a drawing competition. She got second position in that. And Srinidhi, we are really, really proud of you. Lots of congratulations. So, Anvita, if your parents are not there, you can tell them. Otherwise, it is available on our application and or on Instagram also. So, chalo, without delay, we will start with our artwork. So, today we are going to learn a very different and very useful drawing. And in this, you are going to use your file horizontally and first to decide your center. This is your center. Okay, and first of all, I will be taking, yes, take a point in center. And after this, you will be taking 4 fingers distance, 4 fingers distance. Okay, so I will take 4 fingers distance in middle. I will mark. See, in this hand, I'm holding pencil. With this hand, I will be taking marking 1 here, 1 here. 4 fingers. And I'm going to make a line. This is 4 finger big line. Okay. Like artist, we are going to use measurement. We are going to take measurements with fingers, not scale. This is 4 finger big line. Okay. Today you will be learning that if you want to show a firefighter and a fireman, firewoman, so how you are going to show the hat they are wearing, how you are going to show uniform, because in science SST sometimes you are asked to draw our helpers, so you will be able to draw it. And besides this, be careful, you can cover it up, and accident, if you want to show, you can show this. So many topics it can cover up. So I will take this line. This is 4 fingers big, and now I will take 3 fingers. From this line, I will take 3 fingers and I will mark. I will erase this line, point. So this is 4 fingers big and this is 3 fingers. Come on, take 3 fingers and with this hand you mark. Okay. Bhavya, I'm repeating. What I did, I took 4 fingers big line. Then I took 3 fingers from here. Okay, 3 fingers from here. And I kept it here. I mark one more line, 3 fingers big. And I'm going to, I will draw this kind of 1 on both the sides. And I will draw a U, letter U. How much big we know now? This much big, 3 fingers big. Letter U. Okay, it's looking like capital D now. And hold your pencil loose. Don't hold pencil tight. Okay, all of you, hold your pencil loose. Hold it loose. So when you hold your pencil loose, what happened? There is a rhythm in your work and your lines are very light. Don't go for very dark lines. Okay, so see this ways. I completed letter U. And now it's looking like capital D. A straight line. And this letter U. Mahavir, I'm repeating once again for you. I took 4 fingers distance, I draw a line. 3 fingers distance, I took a point and draw a U. Okay? And can I check this? Because this is the very first step of our drawing and it should be perfect. Okay? Shabash. And hold your pencil loose. Okay? Don't hold it tight, Dhriti. And make lines very light, beta, so that you can erase. Okay? Take care. Now, and Sia Soni is having her birthday today, tomorrow. And tomorrow we don't have class, but my dear Sia, we will be wishing you today in advance. Lots of wishes, lots of blessings for your birthday. And may God shower blessings, happiness, love, joy, all joy in your life. Okay. And don't forget determination. You're going to grow a plant tomorrow on your birthday. Now I will be taking one more line. I will draw one more line. Slight, I will take little gap. Okay. If you must have observed, the hat which they wear, firemen wear, it has a big flap backside. It has big flap backside, and the structure we will be learning today. And I don't know your name, ABCD, I can read you. Your birthday today. My lots of blessings with you. Iana Potter won first prize in drawing. Lots of congratulations and blessings, my dear Iana. May God shower blessings and success in your life. We are really proud of you. And I don't know your name, beta, ABCD. You have birthday today. Lots of blessings. Okay, it is Jianshi. Jianshi, my dear Jianshi, happy birthday. May God shower blessings, love and happiness in your life. Today we are learning our helpers and we are going to learn freedom fighter. Sorry, freedom fighter, firefighters. Sorry. Okay, now what we will be doing, I will draw a line and see one finger. Like this is face now. One finger here, I will make it little big. One finger, this side, I will make it little big. Okay, slightly big. Yeah, my lines are coming. This line, the stripe is coming out and this line is slightly big. Okay. This drawing is very helpful if you want to show person, those who are working in mine, this uniform, this hat, which we are going to learn, and this kind of cap, this will be helpful there. If you want to draw our helpers, you can draw this. So whatever you are learning, learn it nicely and go for revision because we provide recording of every class to every child. So you can take help of recording. After this, first let's complete Nick. Okay. What I will be doing, I will draw 1, 1, 11. 11, right? 11. 1, 1, 11. Suhasi, drawing of mermaid is available on my YouTube channel. You can see from there, beta. Complete 2-hour class is available there. Okay. So I extend this line and here this is 11 and I will cut this one from here. Small line, a very small line here. Don't cut it completely. It's looking like L, small line. And now I'm making collar. Okay. So the uniform has standing collar around neck. And a few days back we learn Little Singham. In that we learn uniform inspector, right? How to make cap of inspector, uniform and everything. Today we are going to learn uniform and how to show cap and everything of a firefighter, that is fireman. My YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom Leena Bandil. Although it is changed now, RGO Online Drawing and Painting Classes. Now the new name is this. Now take a point here, mark a point here, and from these two corners, go for this kind of C, diagonal C. Come on. A curved this ways. Okay. Meena, see, I took 4 fingers distance, I draw one line. I took 3 fingers distance, I draw a U. Then it is 11. I just took a line on one and taking a middle point, I draw it, join it with C. Now in middle, in center, I'm going to draw 1. Draw 1. And same 1 you are going to show here and here. Equal size 1. 1 here, 1 in middle, 1 here. 3 times 1. Okay. Now I'm making uniform. And you can make it a little small too. You will join. Join it again. Okay. So this standing collar is ready. Standing collar, which is slightly loose, not very tight, around neck is ready. Okay. So whenever you want to show a standing collar, you can try this ways. Okay. Can I check this? All of you show your work. And Valli Srinidhi, you can show your artwork now. Yes, perfect. Okay. So whenever you are making a girl or a boy, you want to show a dress with and Anna, this is a lovely craft, drawers. I think you use Matchbox. Gaurisha, wonderful drawing of Lord Durga, Devi Durga. Valli Srinidhi, wonderful Dandiya pair, Dandiya couple. Shabash, wonderful. And you all have done it wonderfully, nicely. I'm repeating it. Be careful, draw and listen carefully now. 4 fingers, big line, 3 fingers, distance I took and draw a U, then I draw 11. I cut them. I took a center point and draw the C. I draw 1 in all corners and draw again one more this kind of shape. And one I keep little gap and draw a straight line. Now here, cut this one from here and here, half. Come on. Okay, and this is having a flap. Okay, a backside it has a flap. This hat of firefighters, cap of firefighters, they have backside this kind of structure, round structure backside of the cap. So I will take one line here, one line here. Before that, I will complete face. And now what I will be doing, I will complete face first. I will be going for small diagonal line. Come on. And here a big diagonal line because I want to show side parting. So a small diagonal line and a big diagonal line. And then I'm going to show ears. For making ears, C, draw C. Letter C for showing ears. Okay, and girls can make firefighter girl also. Okay, so I will show how you can add plates. Okay, now ears, and I use letter C for making ears. Okay, and now I'm going to make eyes. Okay, how to make eyes? Draw lines. Okay, in front of ears, draw 2 straight lines. In a straight line, it is straight line. Okay, and this line is equally big. Not one is small, one is big, not like that. I'm giving you a quick recap. Be very careful. This is 4 fingers distance. I draw a line. Then from here, I took 3 fingers distance. I mark and draw U. Then I draw 11. I took a line in middle. I took a point here. I draw a V. I draw 1 here, here, here. Again, draw a V. Okay, and here I just draw a sleeping line. I draw 2 diagonal lines to show here. C for making ears, 2 lines. And now decide how much big eyes you want. So you decide this much big eyes. So you decide a point. Okay? You decide a point. When you decide before making your lines, so it minimizes use of eraser. When you keep making drawing without any planning, so you keep using eraser. And always be little patient and then you make your drawing. And I'm going to draw letter D. 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 It is looking like it is C and now it is looking like D. I'm writing reverse C. Try to make both eyes equally big. Okay. So my eyes, I used letter D for making eyes. Okay, make sure it should be of equal size. Yes. Okay. And you will see using letters and numbers, you will learn a drawing of our helper, that is firefighter. Suddenly, accidentally, anywhere fire happened, they rush and without being bothered about their own lives, they just start working and saving lives, which are okay. Now I will show eyebrows. So show eyebrow, C again, flat C. And I'm going to show round U. I will not write O long U. See round U. Make a round U. Come on. Same here, round U. My U is slightly round. Come on. Make this face. And I will be making upper part of eyes little more dark. Make it little dark. Okay, only upper, the C, which we write C now. For making eyes, you make it little dark. Okay. And I want to show that this firefighter is standing middle of fire. The flame of fire all around, but still very patient. And still not panicking and handling the worst situation happening all around. Okay, now I will be making one more. This kind of shape inside. Okay, one more shape like this. And I will make a nose in between of, in middle of this eyes. How? See, just a small curve. I want to show very patient, very face with lots of patience, you know, and I will be showing a line, one more line to show a very calm and gentle smile, and one more line. Okay. Yeah, so you will be showing face, this face. And today you are going to learn, if you want to create a complete scene, like in this drawing, I want to show that a complete team of fighters is here and building caught fire. And with very long ladders, they are climbing, they are saving, they are throwing water with pipes. So many things you want to show. So how will you show? That you are going to learn today, okay? We are not going to color it today. We will color it next class. And this drawing is having a great story, which I will be sharing next class. Okay, now see, now very carefully you see, you will take 2 fingers distance from face. Here, mark. 2 fingers distance here from face, mark. 2 fingers. In this hand, you are holding pencil. From this hand, you are taking markings. Okay. So like artist, at the place of using scale, start using your fingers and hands for making. Okay. Now, very important step of this complete art, okay, that is we will write a big C. Now see how we are going to write. From here, I will write from here C, Okay, and I will connect it here. The line which I am having, hold your pencil loose and connect. Same I'm going to do here. I will go for C. And from here, it's a big C and give it a curve. Even this also give a curve. So it will look as if it is a big C around. It is looking like a big C around. Okay? Big C. And you can even go for straight. You can connect it to straight or you can make a big C as you wish. If you connect it with straight line, it then also it's okay. Otherwise, this way is also okay. So this way is a big flap we made back side. Okay. So what we did, we draw a line and then we draw a big C which start with collar and finish at collar. Rof, you continue. Okay, focus on your drawing. I'm waiting for everyone. Okay. And if you connect the line with straight line which we draw, then also it's okay. Can I check your work? All of you, please, will you please lift up and show? Yes, it's perfect. Okay. And suppose you want to show Cinderella or this kind of character. For making this kind of character also, you can use the kind of hat we are going to learn today. Yes, it's very beautiful, very perfect. Shabash. Okay. So it is quite different. A few days back, we learned drawing of Little Singham. In that, we learn how to draw uniform of I will be showing this uniform of inspector. See this drawing we learned few days back, and this is drawing of Little Singham. We learn how to draw this logo of Singh using letter 5, fire, and uniform of inspector. We learn how to draw this cap. And today we are going to learn uniform of firefighter. Okay, now after this, what we are going to do, we will be taking 2 fingers distance from here. 2 fingers distance, mark. I will be showing, okay? I will be showing right now, I'm making boy, but then I will show that if you want to make girl, how you can, okay? In my artwork, I showed a girl only. See, and see the face, where this face is getting finished now, there you can take point here too. And you can draw a C. You can draw a C with 2 fingers distance, only 2 finger high, okay? Not very much high, just 2 fingers high. Draw a C. You can make it slightly diagonal also this way. Okay. Now you make it this way. Come on, draw a C. It's quite round from here. Okay. Sanmukh, as you are very late, I will be giving you quick revision. A line, 4 fingers big line, 3 fingers distance, a U, 11. Then I draw V 2 times. I connect it with V. And then I took one more line and draw a big C, big backside. And overhead, over face, I draw a C again. And see, this is the middle. All of you see, first we will finalize middle. And from where I will finalize middle? From nose. This is middle. This is middle. This is middle. Okay, you can even use scale. You can even use scale that this is middle of my, okay, decide a middle. Because now we need middle. Okay, now what you will be doing? You will be taking, this is the middle point, you will take 1 point here, 1 point here. Come on, take 2 points, 1 point this side, 1 point this side. And same I'm going to do here. Yes, Dhriti? Yes, you can type and send better. Okay. To see, this is middle point. I took 1 point here, 1 point here, and same I'm going to do here. But this time I will be taking less distance. See here, these dots are quite far and here quite close. Come on, take this. And then you will join them diagonal and you will go out of the head. Your lines will go out of the head. Go out of head. Samidha, do you want to say anything? Will you, yes, Navratri special drawing we are going to learn, Samidha. Our next drawing is Devi Durga only, you know? But as it was highly demanded drawing, so it was earlier decided. And see, the Devi Durga's festival we have for 9 days. So we have time to learn that, okay? And I will join. I will join. I will join it and you will erase lines. Erase line. Okay, so this kind of middle portion you will be showing. And a kind of logo, you can show a star. I'm going to show. This is, you see, this is middle now. I will not leave this middle. I will take a point and draw V, flat V. Okay, I will be making this kind of mark over. I will be making this right now. This is a boy. Okay, afterwards I will convert it in a girl. And I will be showing one, small one on both the sides and join it with help of U. Join it with help of U. And this kind of some. Okay, you can make it a little more long and diagonal. So this face is complete. I want to check this. Will you please lift up your work and show? All of you? Yes. Wow, very good. Amazing. Okay. And Mina is showing a drawing, which this drawing is available on YouTube channel. And we learned it last class. Devi Durga is killing Corona. And now I'm going to show how to show a girl. Okay. Those, because all girls, they want to make a firefighter girl. Hai na? I will be showing the artwork which we learn in 2 to 3 batch. But before that, let's complete this. Show from here. Take 2 points first. 2 points on this one. And show a small diagonal line. And come downwards. Come downwards. Come downwards. Okay. So see, the cap is of this kind. The upper design you will be making this ways. I will be showing a middle line where I'm going to show button. For dress, what I did, I took 2 points. On this one, I draw a line and then came straight down. From middle one, I draw one more line. Okay. And I'm going to take, this is the middle one now, keeping 1 finger distance, slightly more than 1 finger, I will be making sleeves, straight line again. Okay. So see, I will keep little gap to show strong arms. See, if your paper is bigger, I will be showing the work. See, this is the artwork, complete artwork. We are going to show this. This is our complete artwork. We will be learning that if you want to show a background, here we are showing that so many complete team is working. They are climbing on ladders. They are just taking out people, those who are stuck with fire and all. And so For girl, we will be just showing this person standing in middle with flames of fire surrounded with. Okay. So if you want to show girl, I will be showing plates like this. So this complete scene, if you want to create, how to create that, I'm going to teach you. So first you draw this kind of stripe, red and yellow uniform. We will be showing. Show this kind of stripe. Okay. And show buttons. Show buttons. And you can show this kind of stripes here on sleeves also. And I want to show that this person, this firefighter, is surrounded with flame of fire all around, but without losing patience. And with only one thought that I will save everyone. And my life is to save everyone who are facing this difficult problem. They are got stuck, got locked in the houses with fire. So we should have lots of gratitude for our helpers, to our helpers. Achha, those who want to show girls, what they will do? They will show plates. Plates here. See, 3 times and then 8. Okay, see, bracket shape 3 times, 8, and this ways you can show a firefighter girl. Okay, don't keep hair open, because if you're going to on a mission, if you will keep your hair open, will you be able to focus on your work? No. Open hair will keep disturbing you. And erase the lines which are coming in place of, this is ribbon 8 and okay. So, and I don't forget to show eyelashes. If you're making a girl, eyelashes also. Eyelashes also. Okay. And if you're making a boy, then no need to make eyelashes. And so this is the way you will be showing a firefighter girl. And now I'm going to show the complete team of this firefighter. They are working hard. And first we will learn how to show fire. We want to show this, this fighter is completely surrounded with fire, right? So from here, I will be making a line from here. Those who are having big page, they will just make a line from here and you're going to show fire all around. And many of you are using A3 size paper. So they have a big paper. So they have lots of space for showing background. They can show more buildings. They can show more people shouting, throwing water. Like see this man throwing water. And here this fireman is holding 2 babies in hands. And here this fireman is saying, oh, stop, I'm coming. Wait, stop there, I'm coming. And they're throwing water with pipe and everything. So you can make more background, okay? And here you are absolutely free with your imaginations. So how to show fire? First, I want to check this much. All of you lift up your work. Lift up your work. Yes, very good. Shabash. Okay, you will be not making very long. If there is lots of space available, lots of space, you will be making it only 5 fingers big, not more than that. 5 fingers from here. Okay, and afterwards you will show fire. So you will draw a line from front and from here, right? S. S. Right S here. Right S. Now I'm showing how to show flame of fire. Okay, fire, waves of fire all around. So I draw S here, S here. I will take one more point here. 1 point here. Take 1 more point. Okay, so and learn this flame of fire nicely, because on building and everywhere, because now we are going to show building and the shadows. We will be showing everything in shadow. This is called chill out. Okay, when we show things in shadow, it is called chill out. So we are going to show firefighters in shadow. Team is working hard to save all of them. Now take 1 more point and see. All of you see how to draw fire. 1 more S. I will go close, very close and connect. Okay, see. I will start writing S. I will go close to S and and connect. Now I will write small s from here. Come on, draw. So once you know how to draw fire, you will be able to draw on building. And on building, you can simply imagine what you want to show. है ना? Kavishri, as you are very late, beta, I will suggest you just sit and see what we are doing. And afterwards, when the class will get over, after a few hours, you will find complete recording of class. With help of that you do, so that you can start right from the beginning, step by step. From here, now all of you see from here, I will show small s. Small s. One more point. One more s. Come close. Connect. S. One more. Connect. So whenever you feel like to draw a complete scene, so it is very difficult to draw each and every one fireman is found. No. So what you will do, you will highlight one character and rest everything you will be showing as shadow. This is called chill out. Okay. So we are going to use this technique today. And this is a very new thing which will help you showing picnic. And if you want to show anything you want to show, where you want to show so many people, then you can use this. I will be making small one, very small s. One more point, cover. I will be showing one more wave rising from here. Okay. This waves, I will write small waves inside, like V, and this waves I want to show fire all around. You will be showing fire from here, from front. It means this fire fighter is all side flames of fire, but not at all afraid. Still, without losing patience, with a gentle smile, is handling this difficult situation. Can I check this now? I want to check for flame of fire. Okay, so today we learn one more thing, how to draw fire. Okay, wow, very good. Very good. And those, if your file is big, you want to show one boy firefighter, one girl firefighter, so you can make both. And Sanvi, I can see your craft. It is very beautiful. Shabash, wonderful work. Okay. So what thing you're supposed to keep in mind? You will be making this big flab backside. Okay. Now let's come back to work and go for background. What I'm going to do, I will be showing a line in background. And first of all, I will show building. So from this corner, I will show a building. Come on. And here you are free with your own imaginations. And if what you want to show, as if you want to show that accidentally fire caught this building or anything caught fire. What kind of situation you imagine, that people, they are throwing water with small buckets, and the firefighters, they are saving. So you can try so many things, any posture in here. I will be showing a big ladder. Okay, they have this kind of big ladders. And you will be making sleeping lines. Okay, come on. Very simple. Okay. And here I want to show that one child is shouting, save me, please, got stuck here. Please come, a small girl is here. Uncle, please save me, please save me. And this fireman is saying, baby, don't worry, I'm coming. Don't worry, my dear. And I want to show O. See how to show figure O, then U, O, then U. And I'm showing is saying, don't worry, I'm coming. And trying to climb quickly. And I want to show one leg backside, one in front. Want to climb quickly, make it thick. And as wearing uniform, show a line. Show a line to show that this is a fireman. Okay, we will be showing uniform. And you will be showing fire. Fire we know how to draw. S 2 times. S, one more point, S, S, one more time, S. Okay, fire here. So, one character is done. We will show more windows. Here, two people, they are stuck. They can't came. They also want help. They need help urgently. Mama and a baby again. They are saying, please help me. Please help my baby if you can't help me. You know, please help. This baby is crying badly. Mama, what will happen? Mama is saying, don't worry, my baby. Because definitely we will get help. God will save us. And today in this scenario, who is God? Who is Savior? Fireman, firefighters. You know, this situation is so risky. But, Anmay, yeah, this is background. Okay, I will go little slow, Anmay. Okay. I showed a building. Okay. And this is a ladder. One man O, then you and hands upwards shouting. Same here O, then you shouting. Fire, how to draw, we know. Okay. Fire, everywhere you know how to draw. S. One more point, one more S. And don't forget to erase lines. Okay, like see this line of building is coming, erase it. And one more small S. Okay, if you will show this much, it's okay. Here to S. One more point S. S. One more point S. Again. Okay. You can show more windows. You can show more people. Those are inside this building. And when this happened, this fire happened here, then it starts spreading in other buildings also. Okay, we are going to show many more buildings. See, so this fire happened actually because of carelessness and sometimes accidentally also, short circuit. And so many reasons are responsible for that. We are supposed to be very much careful because this kind of accidents, this kind of fire, when it happen, it takes so many innocent lives and so much of this property is got damaged and ruined, you know. So I will be showing one more building here. Okay, now see here, I can go little fast because now here everything is of your imagination. The game of your imagination start. Okay, today is International Air Force Day. So see, we are learning such lovely drawing, although it is not connected to Air Force, but somewhere, you know, helpers. Those are also our helpers. So today is a very good occasion for learning this artwork. I'm so happy that we are learning this artwork today. And I'm showing building, just a structure of building. And I will be showing fire. Fire, you know, which letter we are supposed to use, S. And if you want to show a house, suppose here you want to change. You don't want to show a building. You want to show a big house. You want to show a factory or a mall. And you just think about, like Anika shared that massive fire happened just near her house. So what you observe there, you just close eyes and try to see what was the scene that time. You can exactly make that because here we are not making complete figure. We are simply using line figures. So here you can show whatever you feel like. Like here, this fireman is holding hand of this child and on terrace. And here again, a ladder and two babies in hands. And now he will go back again and save mom also. Here, see, taking out. And these are trying to help them out by throwing water with bucket. So many things you can show. Okay, so here you are absolutely free with your imaginations to show it. Okay, and I really want to see that you can close your eyes and see that how you're going to frame it. Close your eyes. When you will close your eyes, your brain will show you. You can show this. You can show this. And when you show your memory you use for showing this, it is called memory drawing. Okay. And this is what I want you all to implement. Now here I will show one more. See, fire, we know how to draw. Letter S. That's why I taught it very care. And here on this top floor, I will show lots of wild flames. S, take second point, S, and make it neatly, okay? Make fire and men neatly. Here I can show one person is shouting, please save me. And here, like God, you know, these fire fighters, they are not only controlling fire, but at the same time, they are helping those who are in this trouble. If you want to draw only firefighter, it's your choice. But if you will make this background, you will learn one very new thing. Suppose you are given with a topic picnic. So in picnic, you can't show so many children playing together. So there, this kind of background will help you out. A few classes back, we learn a class interval, recess time. Do you remember that drawing? We learn a drawing in which they were playing and sharing tiffin. In that, we use this kind of shadow for showing children playing in garden of school and all. So this is very helpful technique, and I think you should learn this. Okay. So I will be making a big ladder here. If you have lots of space, you can even make their van. And I will be showing 1, O, U, and legs. 2 babies in hands. Okay, just shadow you are making. Okay, building them nicely and show a hat. With this hat, you will be able to understand that. Okay, you'll be able to understand that these are firefighters. I can show little fire from here. Okay, now here you are free with your imaginations. I will be showing S. I will be showing flame of fire from here. And a technique we know. And I will be showing one firefighter. Show this kind of cut. And U is holding hand of a child and taking him out from this fire. Okay, hold my hand. Don't worry. I'm here. Don't worry. I will take you out. And at this phase, we should be really, really very grateful to all these helpers of ours. They are just like savior. Nazia, now you can see. Okay, and here I want to show the people, they are standing, they are shouting, few of them are throwing water with small, small buckets. So I will be showing here. O, U, and you can show girl, you can show ladies, and so many different kind of dresses. I want to show this man is throwing water. Make legs little thick so it will look like pants, okay? And throwing water with 2 hands. This is a small bucket. Throwing water, okay? Want to help them out. And the small son of this man is saying, Papa, my friend is there inside. Please do something. He's crying badly. Papa is saying, don't worry, pray to God, beta. I'm even trying. I'm also throwing water with bucket and pray to God now. I know. So see, now see what is happening in this artwork. In this artwork, So many elements, so many characters we add without any efforts. And but like making this kind of shadow art is very easy. You simply go make round for making head, and a long lines for making, and 2 long lines for making legs. So you're not going for detailed work, but still it is giving a perfect look to your work. You can show one window, and if you want to show and little fire from here to, you will erase the lines of this. You can show one person and a firefighter. If you are showing, you will show, you will cut this ways, and I'm going to show body. Make it little thick. Legs you make little thick, so it will look like wearing uniform. Okay. And little round to show boots. And I'm going to show a big pie. You can add your own ideas. I really want you all to go for your own ideas. Because this kind of artwork, they're giving you scope for going creative. Here you can try your ideas freely. Because no very special. See, this ways I'm showing water, throwing water. You can show one from here if you have space. Now you can add as many people as you want. Okay, as many. I'm showing a window, and gray we are going to add. So I will not make any background. We will add gray color, like smoke all around directly with color. Okay. So see, using this background, when you will give outlines, it will look like this. Okay, after giving outlines, it is clearly visible that how we showed building and 2-3 firefighters, they are throwing water all around. And this background is very, very useful, very useful. And whatever you are making in background, if you want to add few more characters, few more people, so using this method you can do. And you will see that it will add lots of meaning to your work. It will add lots of meaning to your work. Now see, earlier this girl, standing, doing nothing, like one message I got, what this girl is doing. So see here what we did, we highlight one character, and rest what this team is doing, we showed with shadow. So how easily we made our drawing concept oriented. Okay, suppose you want to show picnic. So you will show 2 friends, they're sitting beneath a tree and sharing tiffin. And backside, just show this kind of shadow. They are playing, they are running, they are eating, they are sitting near water lake. Whatever you want to show. So using this shadow, you can try. So can I check? I just want to see that how much you all have done and continue. Okay. You can take any idea. You can make lots of people around. You can show lots of people caught in a fire. They are in buildings and they are not able to come out. You can make a complete team, but make sure your fire flame should be neatly done. Okay, don't in a hurry, don't spoil your work. Don't mess up. Okay, with patience, do and finish your work. I can see how beautifully you all did. Shabash. Very good. I'm very happy with the efforts of yours. Okay. So in today's drawing, we learn one very important thing, this kind of background, and you can try many more. I will see if I have that drawing available. I will show that in which we showed this kind of background. That was interval time. It is in another file. In this file, it is not available. And you can see the background. Now see, if I will show a garden, a flower garden, so will it be a suitable background for this drawing? Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No. So we are supposed to be very much wise for selecting background. As we are showing firefighters, so we will show building with fire, where fire happened, and they are asking for help. Suppose here I can show in this file. Like see, these are 3 monkeys. So I showed branches and all. This is elephant. I showed trees and jungle. And this is a birthday party. This is a adopt me. So again, I showed impression. Birthday party, so I showed decoration. So this ways, you are supposed to be very much wise that what you're going to learn. This is Independence Day special drawing, so I show you tricolors. And this is a rainy day drawing, so I showed the village scene because I want to show village children. So this ways, background, you will select your background very wisely. As today, this background is the demand of today's artwork because we are showing drawing of firefighter. So we add this kind of background. Okay. So what is your homework now? Your homework is you will give outlines in this complete work. Okay. So this was today's work and you all will be provided with recording, and don't forget about the most attractive package of this year, that is concession of 5,200 rupees, just 2,000 for 6 months. And it is a very attractive, very pocket friendly, budget friendly offer. I really want your friends, your relatives, your cousins, your school friend, everyone to be in rhythm with us and learn. Let's go creative. All of us go creative. Okay. So please tell them also. And this offer is specially for this, so that those who want to learn long term, so they can easily, it can be easily affordable for them, and they can be with us in rhythm of learning. So because of this, we are offering such a beneficial offer. So you please share, and you can also. If your Shri Charan, if your present package will finish in November, and if you purchase the 6 months package, so after November it will start. It will come in force. Okay. So you can, although your packages are going on, but still you can purchase because this offer is just for a few days. Once the seats are full, it will automatically expire because registrations are automatic now on our application. So hurry and take complete benefit of this package. Okay. So with this, I will wind up class. Lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, my dear students. Or you can buy, Jayant, you can buy it through our application. Okay, you can go to our application and there you can purchase it. So for 6 month registration, so there is a great discount, and please share it with your friends also. Okay, so lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. Gaurisha, you can see face with help of recorded class.